All right, we're all ready. Today is the day, you guys.
We're not ready. I'm not ready.
Well, packing wise, we're pretty much ready.
Oh, yeah.
And mentally, we're pretty much ready.
Oh, I'm really ready mentally.
I know. But we're going on a trip to Florida. It's still morning. I haven't had any coffee yet. Whoa, big bump. Big bump. Oh. He's got a little munchie.
Woohoo!
Dad, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
It's all done. It's all done. You're fine, Bubba. That's fun. That was fun. Oh man, honey. Woo! Oh my god. So we're just packing up. We're getting ready to go. Oh my gosh, my hands are full. Turn on the car. Now we're off. We're gonna go to my in-laws. They're going to take care of Colin while we're gone. And then Nana and Grandpa are going to drop us off at the airport. And then we're gonna be on an airplane. So we're stopping off to get coffee really quick. Then we gotta pay daycare. Then we gotta go to his work really quick. Just a few errands before we get to the airport. But Colin, Mommy and Daddy are gonna miss you so much.
And Hippo's gonna miss you guys.
Aw, that's so nice, Hippo. So we just got to my in-laws' house. Russ just packed up our stuff into my mother-in-law's car. Now he's reparking our car because they don't want it parked right over here. So, but Colin's inside the house. And then we're all gonna go together and go to the airport. Oh. Whew. I'm starting to miss my boy even before I leave him. Oh man, I was starting to feel a little teary yesterday when I was packing everything up. I was like, oh, I'm starting to get the feels.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
That's what you're doing?
Airport. There we are.
About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
All right, we got here. We're in Miami. We're really tired, but we gotta get our.
What time it is.
Yeah, it's 11 something. But we gotta get our baggage claim downstairs, right?
Yep.
All right, find a shuttle and then get to our hotel.
Let's hold hands.
Oh my gosh, I can't. I have no hands. Going down the escalator. My honey. Check it out. Holy cow, that thing is huge. It's like as big as my hand. All right, so far not a good start. Our room smells terrible of, well, hot. So we're changing out. We're going from the 8th floor to the 3rd floor. So hopefully this one doesn't smell so bad. So this is our final room. So much better. It smells so much better. We were suffocating in there, but we're gonna go to bed. I'm tired. Even though it's 9:30 our time, it's 12:30 here. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Well, it's morning. I got great sleep. Ross got great sleep.
Yeah, so way better.
Oh yeah. Oh man, it's so good. But it's bright and early. We're gonna go down and eat some breakfast, and then we'll start our day. I'm excited. Breakfast of champions. So yeah, the breakfast. It's not breakfast. It's a grab and go. So they gave us 2 cups to fill up, and I put them in this little bag here that they gave us. filled with Nature Valley. And then I got a sandwich. Oh gosh, that's hot. And then Russ got a burrito or taco thing, a breakfast taco. It's interesting. Definitely interesting. Not what I expected. I guess this is the way hotels are going to be for a little bit. Or at least hotels around here, I hope. Not all of our hotels will be like this. So we're all ready to go. We're just checking out of our hotel, which, by the way, I see palm trees, which is not normal for our area. We have a palm tree right out front of our window here. Ooh. And then there's some palm trees over there.
You sound like that one whale on Dory. Ooh, guys, I'm getting something. Ooh.
We just ordered an Uber to take us to Enterprise because I guess they've got a 3-mile limit or whatever. I didn't know.
We ordered a car to get our car.
Yeah, we ordered a car to go get our car. We are going to head to the Keys today. Oh my gosh, everyone I've ever talked to has said, all I've ever wanted to is go to the Keys. The Keys is amazing, it's beautiful, it's awesome. I'm super stoked. And we already got our hotel situated, so I'm super excited. Oh, and by the way, the coffee here, I mean, any coffee at hotels isn't very good. Russ didn't mind it, but I'm very picky with my coffee. I need coffee. Russell, if you watch this again, I need better coffee than this. Well, you will watch this again. You better watch this again. I haven't had coffee, so you better watch this again. I got it. Ooh, look at that butt. Yeah, star.
I think that's one star underscore.
Yeah. All right, so we just made it to Enterprise.
We get Camaro.
We got a Camaro instead of a Mustang.
Okay.
Woo. So
Anybody can take offense to this. No big deal. But I like Camaros better than Mustangs. I like
Yeah.
Chevy better than Ford.
yeah. And apparently very lucky too.
Just double booked their car.
Yeah, they almost double booked. So thank goodness we called them this morning. So just to remind them, we're coming. Oh, and it's white. Oh, that's beautiful. Ah! Oh, baby. I didn't catch the convertible top going down, but
My head is way up.
So as much as I love having a convertible, this is gonna tear up my hair. And yes, Russ, I know you're gonna say, oh my gosh, and roll your eyes. Yeah. With the humidity and the wind in my hair, you ladies can understand. It's gonna be rough. We are going to a tiki bar. Oh man, because the humidity is fogging it up. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot here. We officially made it to Key Largo. Word. Oh my god. Yeah, you had to pop up with it popping down. Popping luck. This front patio. This is where we just checked in. Super pretty. We got palm trees all above me. Oh my god. Wow.
Where it fits into the pool. Ooh, that looks like
Oh
prickly
my
bushes, though.
gosh,
How do I
look
get
at
out of here?
this.
How do I get out of this?
Wow. Oh, they have games. Oh, wow. That's really low. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Wow.
Oh, we even have overpriced drinks.
Probably. And wine.
Not probably.
Wine and snacks. Holy cow. I've never stayed at well, I have, but
Yeah.
this is snazzy. This is by far, the like way better than the last hotel we were at the airport. Oh, after that long car ride. That was not 3 hours long, just to let you know. For a car ride through the Keys. It was not 3 hours, it was longer. Bella's gonna love this. Look at this dude. What's up, iguana? We're at the pool. There you go, Bella. He goes on people's stuff. Oh, is he gonna jump? Watch him pee on that person's towel. Oh my gosh. So I got me a new hat, yay, because the sun was getting me so bad. But we're going out to dinner, a late Floridian dinner, but we're also gonna have some drinks and just be awesome and maybe sit at the bar and make some new friends.
Yeah. To be fair, it's only 5 o'clock in our heads.
Well, yeah, 5 o'clock at home, but it's 8 o'clock here.